Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Picture this, you're at your next party, you're ready to add in the music so that you can become the superstar. Well, if you have your TPWIN Bluetooth speaker, you will be all set. This speaker packs so much power. It has 80 watts of sound and it even has subwoofers. So even though this is nice and compact, you'll notice right away that it feels sturdy and heavy and it has what it needs to do to get that power in. I also really like that the speaker is waterproof, so you could use this outside, you could bring it to the beach. You can even use this speaker, if you get another one, you can connect both of them so you have even more power at your parties or your gatherings. The speaker works really well with my phone as well. I can walk really far around my house, have my phone connected, and the speaker still keeps the sound, so it does not disconnect at all. It's super fun to walk around with this. It has really fun lights. It's just an awesome little baby speaker, but it packs in so much impressive power. It connects super easily to my Bluetooth, and all you have to do is charge it up. But I've been working with this for almost a month and I haven't had to charge it once. So it will definitely serve you well. Once you have it going, you'll be able to have it at your next party and have so much fun with that music. And that's just my point of view.